So my bear looks nice and incorporated here. I would have to make some changes, but I'm actually going to have the bear copy him, and I'm going to actually paste him into my background, which is here. So Control V, he's pasted in. Once you paste something over onto another image, you're going to have to eventually like change the colors, maybe the hue, the tone, the exposure to get it to all blend together. But for now, look at, I've pasted him, Control V, after I selected him and refined the edge. Then if you look, when you paste something, it puts it on its own layer. So you can turn it on and off, turn the visibility on and off. If you Control T here is how you will change this. You can rotate it. You can shrink him. If you hold Shift, you can stretch or distort him. If you right click when you Control T, you can flip him horizontally. You can flip him vertically. Remember, Control Z will step back if you don't like one of those things. But see, you could place him wherever you want to place him. So Control T means transform. And anytime you transform, it will put this bounding box around him. You can right click to do lots of other things like skew and distort and perspective. If you hold Shift, it can stretch him. If you hold down Control, you can kind of distort him, put him in perspective. If you hold Alt, it will also kind of tilt him. Anytime you Control T or form an object, make sure you're on the layer that you want to target and transform. When you're done, nothing else will work until you hit Enter. So get used to hitting Enter when you Control T, because if you don't, nothing else will work. And he looks all stretched and distorted. So I'm going to Control T, shrink him down, and hit Enter. I can always move him around later with my arrow tool, as long as I'm on the correct layer.